Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your pool every week? If you live in Australia and own a pool, you already know how quickly leaves, sand, and debris can build up. Today, I'm testing the iGarden K60 cordless robotic pool cleaner to see if it can actually replace manual cleaning in 2026. First, let's talk about what this thing is. The iGarden K60 is a cordless robotic pool cleaner designed to clean your pool automatically. No cables, no hassle. Just drop it in and let it do the work. One of the biggest selling points is the battery. It claims up to 6 hours of runtime per charge, which can cover multiple cleaning sessions throughout the week. In real-world use, you can expect several full cleaning cycles before needing to recharge. Now let's talk performance. This cleaner uses a turbine-grade impeller and optimized water flow system. That basically means strong suction power that can pick up leaves, sand, dirt, and even small debris. It also features intelligent pathfinding. Instead of moving randomly, it maps your pool and cleans efficiently. This helps cover more area while saving battery life. And yes, it actually climbs walls. It can clean the floor, walls, and even the waterline, which is usually the hardest part to maintain manually. Another thing I really like is how easy it is to use. You literally just drop it into the pool, press a button, and walk away. There's also app control, so you can schedule cleaning sessions anytime. Let's talk about maintenance. The K60 comes with a large 4-liter debris basket. That means less frequent emptying, and cleaning it is as simple as rinsing it with water. It also has a 180-micron fine filter, so it doesn't just remove big debris, it actually improves water clarity by catching smaller particles. One feature that stands out is auto-docking. When the battery runs low or cleaning is done, it automatically returns to the edge of the pool. That makes it super easy to retrieve. Now, if you're in Australia, there's an important advantage. This product ships locally from Australian warehouses in Sydney and Melbourne. That means fast delivery, usually within 4 to 9 business days, and no import taxes. Plus, shipping is free across mainland Australia, so you're not dealing with long international shipping times or extra costs. Let's quickly go over the pros. Strong suction and cleaning performance. Cordless and easy to use. Smart navigation and full pool coverage, and local shipping within Australia. Now the cons. The price is on the higher side. And while the battery is good, real-world runtime may vary depending on usage. So, is it worth it? If you want to save time and stop cleaning your pool manually, this could be a great investment. Especially if you use your pool frequently. If you want to check it out or get the current deal, I've put a link in the description below. Alright, that's it for this iGarden K60 review. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe.